Did you know that after the Fire OS 8 update, your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max now can generate AI photos for a screensaver? Apart from that, you can even turn your personal camera reel photos into a custom screensaver as well. Here's how to set it up. So first, before anything, you need to turn on the Ambient Experience feature. So from the hamburger menu, go to Settings, then go to Display and Sounds, and then hit the Ambient Experience and turn it on. After that, you can go to Ambient Preferences. You will find some extra customization settings in here, like background rotation speed, slideshow shuffle on or off, display clock, weather, along with some additional options under advanced settings as well. Now, let's choose the screensaver. So from the hamburger menu, go to Art and Photos. Now, as you can see, there are tabs like All Art, My Photos, AI Art, Motion Art, etc. will show up in here. We'll talk about using your own photos later. Now, you can pick anything from the subcategories under each tab, or even you can go for AI Art. So as you can see, you can either choose any preset AI image or press the Alexa button and give a voice command to create your own image. Several images will be generated in a row, and you can slide through to see more created photos and choose from different design categories. You can also create different AI photos this way. Just select the one you like, and it'll be set as your screensaver. Now, if you want to use your own personal photos, just go ahead and grab your smartphone, and then just go ahead and install Amazon Photos app in there if it's not already installed. Now, once the app is downloaded, just sign in with the same Amazon account that's connected to the TV stick. When asked, allow full access to your gallery. So when you reach this section, we recommend deselecting Upload All Photos to avoid clutter. And then you can manually select all your favorite photos that will show up in here from your phone's gallery, and then hit the Upload button. Now, once it's done, select this tiny TV icon, and then select Add to Collection. Now here you can choose anything from favorites or recent photos. You can also create a separate album with your personal favorite photos to use as screensaver. And when you're done, finally just hit the Save button. You can select the album or photo segment that will appear under the wallpaper section on your TV. You can deselect the others if needed. Now get back to your TV and open the Art and Photos section once again. And as I've told you, right under All Art, your custom photos and albums will appear. Just select the one you want. Now here's the thing, you can either select all the photos or just a single one from the collection. And then you'll see your screensaver has been set successfully. And that's how you can easily set a screensaver on your Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Hope this helped. Thanks for your time.